फर्स्ट गोवन जी ह्या पोझिशनार कशें दिसता तुमकां?
I feel really excited to occupy this top position. Yeah, I actually never thought I would rise to this level, but I think it is my karma which has brought me to this position, and I want to do good to to improve the department so that we can give quality power to the consumers, and it's a dream of a Prime Minister to give 24/7 uninterrupted power supply. So for that we have to improve the infrastructure. So we are started working in that direction.
What will be your priority?
Priority is to do improvement of the infrastructure is very old. So we have to improve the infrastructure first, because loadings are increasing more and more. Loads, people request is there to for different factories, then for industries, then domestic and all connections. Load applications are coming, which we have to release. We cannot hold them back. So to release present infrastructure is very old. So we have to improve that infrastructure. Also, I want to improve the our staff also. Some promotions and all which are held up. Towards that also I want to work. And the same thing I discussed with Minister also, with